Good morning, 8th grade. Today we are going to spend a little bit of time reviewing what we have been talking about concerning subjects, predicate, simple subjects, compound subjects, compound predicates, simple predicates, and what is the difference between simple, compound, and run-on sentences. At the top of your paper, let's follow the directions that I have on the screen. I'm going to begin by putting my last name, comma, first name. I'm going to write the word EIGHT 8 for class. And then today I'm going to put 9/17/2020 for the date. When you finish that, I'd like for you to list down these 4 directions that I have at the top of the page. You'll notice that I have X'd out the printed directions. I've simplified. If you list these down, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to notice that that is what we've been doing all week. It'll be nothing new. It'll be familiar to you. Number 1, we're going to underline the simple subject once. Number 2, we're going to underline the simple predicate twice. Number 3, we're going to put a vertical line between each compound subject and compound predicate. And if the sentence has a prepositional phrase, I'm going to put parentheses around each of them. Great. Now, before we begin, I'd like for you to circle or highlight these numbers. All of these sentences have something in common. Number 3, 6 and 7, numbers 10 and 11, number 16, and number 20. So, each sentence is going to have at least one simple subject. It's going to have at least one simple predicate. And it's going to have an opportunity to divide the complete subjects and complete predicates. Now, the reason that I have highlighted for you the numbers 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 16, and 20 is because these all have compounds. And so what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to follow 1 and 2 and 3 twice, because each one of them has 2 sentences. So, flags, I'm going to underline flags once. I'm going to put parentheses around of Italy and Hungary. Flags, share. I'm going to underline that twice. Flags, share. Underline share twice. Stripes, once. Differ, twice. I have 2 sentences. And now I need to place a vertical line between each complete subject and predicate. So I'm going to look at my first sentence. Flags of Italy, line between Hungary and share. The stripes differ, line between stripes and differ. This is an entire sentence. The stripes differ. The flags of Italy and Hungary share the same colors is its own sentence. That's why I place a vertical line between Hungary and share and the second sentence, stripes and differ. Look at number 6. Do you see a similarity between number 3 and number 6? Notice the conjunction Chicago, simple subject. Atlanta, simple subject. Have, twice, simple predicate. Line between Atlanta and have. That's the first sentence. Second sentence, airport, once, is, twice. Line between airport and is. Chicago and Atlanta have big, busy airports. Is the first sentence. It's compound on account of the conjunction. Chicago's airport is busier. The second sentence. Number 7. Like number 3 and number 6. Subject, Babe Zaharias. Simple subject. Simple predicate, one. Line between Babe Zaharias and one. Second sentence. Betsy Rawls claimed the title 4 times. Underline Betsy Rawls once. Underline claimed twice. Again, line between Babe Zaharias and one. Line between Rawls and claimed. There is no prepositional phrase. Number 10. Out the door. Prepositional phrase. Here's my conjunction. And. Underline Sharon once, walked twice. Everyone once, waved twice. Can you see where the line would go to separate between the complete subject and the complete in both of these sentences? You're correct if you said between Sharon and walked and between everyone and waved. Take a minute and look at number 11. What do you think? Can you find the conjunction? How about the prepositional phrase? Do you see the simple subject in the first sentence? The Senate has 100 members. You're correct if you said Senate. You're also correct if you said has as the simple predicate and you would put your line between those two words. House of Representatives consists, and a line between those two. Do you see the similarity between sentences 3, 6, 7, 10, and 11? We'll want to be using those examples as you complete your assignment. My assignment is going to be completing sentences number 12 through 20. Number 12 through 20. These are going to be the sentences that I want to complete. You will notice in sentences 12 through 20 that two of them, 16 and 20, are like the samples 3, 6, 7, 10, and 11 that we did before. Your assignment for tomorrow is to complete sentences 12 through 20. Once again, please follow the directions at the top of the page. Underline the simple subject once, underline the simple predicate twice, placing a line between the complete subject and the complete predicate, and if the sentence has a prepositional phrase, put parentheses around it. Thanks again for listing your name, class, and date as my example shows up above. If you have any questions concerning the identifications of subjects and predicates, prepositional phrases, or how the sentences are divided, please reach out to me and I'll assist you. Have a great Thursday.